Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So biometric authentications like Face ID and fingerprint scanning let you securely and quickly access cash apps without using PIN every time. But sometimes these features may not work correctly, and these guides help you to troubleshoot and fix common biometric login problems on Cash App. So the common causes of biometric issues are biometric settings disabled on your device or in Cash App, dirty or damaged fingerprint sensor or camera. Third, software bugs or outdated app versions. And next, incorrect biometric data registrations or device security settings conflict. So here are the step-by-step fixes for biometric authentication issues. Step 1. Always check your device biometric settings. For that, on iOS, go to Settings and then Face ID and Password or Touch ID and Password, and ensure your biometric authentication is set up and enabled. And on Android, go to Settings and then go to Security and next Fingerprint or Face Recognition and confirm biometrics are enabled and working. Step 2. Enable biometrics in Cash App. For that, open your Cash App and then tap your profile icon and then go to Privacy and Security. And always make sure your Face ID or fingerprint unlock is toggled on. And next, clean your sensor or camera. So wipe the fingerprint sensor or front camera gently with a clean cloth and ensure no dirt, moist, or smudge are blocking the sensor. Step 4 is re-register your biometric. So delete the existing biometric data on your device and set it up again to improve recognition accuracy. And then update your Cash App. So check your App Store for the latest Cash App update and install it if available. And next, restart your device. So sometimes a simple restart clears the temporary glitch affected biometric authentications. And lastly, reinstall Cash App. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the Cash App to reset the app settings. And here are some additional tips for you. So ensure your device software is up to date and avoid using biometric in poor lighting or with wet or dirty hands or finger. And then use your PIN as a backup to access Cash App when biometric fails, and always contact Cash App support if issues continue. And that's it. If this helped you to unlock Cash App smoothly, hit like, subscribe, and ask your question below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.